Assalamu alaikum. How are you, student? This is the second video, and the question is still on dimensional consistency, which is units and conversion. So we have the question which says the density of a certain liquid uh, is given an equation of the following form: rho equals A plus BT, everything in brackets, exponential Cp, where rho is density in gram per cm cube, temperature is in degrees C, and pressure is in atmosphere. The equation is dimensionally consistent. This is it's an assurance that you should put it in mind that the equation is dimensionally consistent. So the question is, what are the units of A, B, and C? That's part A. Part B, in the unit above, A is given, A, B, C are given the value as you can see on the screen. Find A, B, C. If rho is expressed in pound per foot cube, T is in degree Rankine, and P is in pound force per inch cube, which is PSI. Always put in mind these 2 points. The principle of dimensional consistency is that equation must be dimensionally consistent. What does this mean? The net units on the left-hand side of an equation must be the same as those on the right-hand side. It is not most of the time um, directly obvious, but you can do some arithmetics to make sure the 2 units are the same. I mean the one on the left and the one on the right. Now, let us answer the question. What are the units of A, B, and C? Since the unit on the left-hand side is gram per cm cube, it means the unit on the right-hand side must be gram per cm cube. So this is what we're going to do. So it is very clear that the unit of A is going to be gram per cm cube. So if you look at it, you will notice that the unit of A will be in gram per cm cube. Let me bring out my pen here. Okay, so the unit of A, since the unit of rho on the left hand side is gram per cm cube, it means the unit of A should also be gram per cm cube. Should be in gram per cm cube. What about the unit of B? Don't forget, B, what we have is BT instead of B. So the meaning here is that the unit of B, okay, the unit of B will be gram per cm cube, then degree C. Why? Because B is being multiplied by T, which is temperature in degrees C. So the unit of B will be gram per cm cube per degree C. I hope this is clear. So that at the end of the day, let me explain further. We are going to have the unit of B is gram per cm cube degree C times the unit of T is degree C. So this cancels this. So you can see now that what we have is gram per cm cube. Now, that is for B. For C, let's go back here. Exponential Cp must have dimensionless units. So what we are going to do here is that if we know the unit of P as atmosphere, then the unit of C will be inverse of the unit of P. So Cp, okay, now the unit of C will be 1 over atmosphere. Why? Because the unit of P is in atmosphere, so that this cancels this. Therefore, we now say the unit of C is what? 1 over atmosphere. This is also the same as atmosphere raised to power minus 1. So these are the unit of A, B, and C. And the second question, let's go back to the second question. In the unit above, A is equal to 1.096. Since it is mentioned that in the unit above, it means the unit of A is now gram per cm cube. The unit of B is gram per cm cube degree C. And the unit of C is atmosphere raised to power minus 1. So we need to convert this unit to the unit that we are given. That is, we need to convert gram per cm cube should be converted to pound per foot cube. Okay? And we need to do all this conversion in that order. So let's go now and solve this problem. So we are given that A is equals to 1.096 gram then per cm cube. I will put gram up, then I will put cm cube below it. Okay, so how many cm cube make 1 foot cube? So I can use this unit of length. You can use other units if you want. Cm cube is equals to 1 foot cube. Okay, and 1 pound mass is equals to 454 gram. You find all this conversion in your conversion table, which has been given to you in class. So if you look at this, cm cube cancels cm cube and gram cancels gram. So at the end of the day, you're gonna have 68.4 pound mass per foot cube for A. What about B? B is equals to what we are given. The value of B is 0.00086 to be gram, then gram per cm cube and degree C. Okay, so this is what we're gonna have. Then let us do the conversion. So we have 30.8 cm cube. Sorry, that should be cm cube. So cm cube is equals to 1 foot cube. Then if we go to pound mass, 1 pound mass will be equals to 454 gram. And the next is I think this place will be okay for it. 1 degree C equals 1.8 degree R. Okay, so you will agree with me that this will cancel this, cm cube will cancel cm cube, and gram will cancel gram. So you're gonna have only pound mass, foot cube, and degree Rankine. So by the time you do the arithmetic, arithmetics, arithmetics, so you're gonna have the final value of B to be 0.0298 pound mass per foot cube, then degree C. Okay, degree C. So this is how it goes. Just want to make sure this is small so that you don't confuse it for something else. Then C, same way, is given to be 0.0000953, and the atmosphere will be down. So what is the conversion factor? 1 atmosphere equals 14.7 psi. 14.7 psi. So atmosphere cancels atmosphere. Then doing some simplification and some arithmetics, you're gonna have the final answer as 0.1234681 psi, 1 over psi. So this is how to get the value of A, B, and C. Thank you.